Whoa! Oh. Don't sneak up on a guy like that when he's up on a roof. You could scare me and I'll fall right off. Come here, I want to show you something. I want to show you why I haven't put out any woodworking videos in the last month and a half. Come on up here. All right, let me show you something. You see that? That's what you get when you collect trees for 2 years and don't buck or split anything. You get 17 cords of firewood that have to be managed before the winter sets in. So what have I been doing instead of woodworking? That is probably the accumulation of 75, 80 hours of work on weekends and after work. That's 8, 10, 18, 23, that's 29 pallets, 48 by 40 of firewood stacked. For those of you that don't know what you're looking at, a tree comes, it gets bucked into 16, 18-inch widths. Those pieces get put on a splitter, those get split, they get picked up, they get put in a cart, they get driven back, they get stacked. Takes at least a year for them to season properly outside like this. So that wood is not good for this year. I just finished it. It's late October. That wood will be good next year and the year after and the year after. For us, that's 3 years worth of wood. So I won't have to touch firewood next year. I'm sure I'll collect some trees, but so yeah, it's a lot of work. That's all I've been doing, and it has to be done. So I finished it yesterday. Now we can finally get into the shop. All right, as much as I like hanging out on the roof, let's get down from here before I kill myself because I'm stupid. And if my mom's watching this, sorry mom, had to be done. Cider house rules be damned. Front yard. I see you, Jax. Hi. What the hell are you doing, weirdo? I know. Who's so cute?